Kids at home and busy only on phones, YouTube, laptop, TVs. And we are worried how will learning happen? Learning just happens in classroom. That's not true. Let's use these smart gadgets smartly to change the gaming time, TV time into learning sessions. As it is, the life has slowed down now and we have no rush hour, no routines. Use this time to spend and nurture your kids, which we have just dreamt of. You know what? When you will sit with your kiddos, you will know they are smarter, more inquisitive, naughtier. But this is the time to shape their routines, mold their personality and ethics and values. Apart from reading books, novels, learning tables, daily news, atlas, learning some countries, some cities, some states and populations, etc. Kids of this age should know typing. There are websites which tell you how to use the fingers on which set of keys. It is very, very convenient. You just have to log in and get started. The following websites are mentioned. When we have 10 fingers, might as well use them all while typing to increase your speed, as well as the timing result at the end of these apps. It is very convenient, and once the kids start doing it daily for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you will see that their interest is increasing, and within this time of sitting at home, they will be perfect at it. With kids, it is important to discuss, explain if you want them to start something new. Especially with mine, I really have to tell him and push him with motivational words. Do you know this? Will you be able to do it? Please teach me as well. I want to be a smarter mom. He will be all set to go. They should know parents don't come to us only to give some work. They are here to talk to us. They are here for us, with us. Kids should understand the importance of cleanliness, starting from washing hands and extending these to different tasks and activities like cleaning their bicycle, their shelves, drawers, digging up the dirty bag and cleaning it. Doing our part in their cleaning is scrubbing their knees, their elbows, their feet. It is important, and after all, it's our duty. Sit with them to massage their head while watching a movie. Apply some moisturizer on their arms, their knees. मम्मा करती थी ना, कितना बिठा के सर जस्ती थी. Oh, I just can't forget. What a lovely bond we had with our parents. Let's build that bond with our kids. Whatever it takes to revive the bond between you and your child when you are at home. और क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's sit with kids. Talk to them about their future plans. What do they want to become when they grow up? Discussing what will they do when they will stay alone for their further studies, moving abroad or to hostels. Relating all this to the activities and tasks, we can give them small things to do, like at least heating their food, making sandwich, egg, Maggie. As we are putting in our best efforts not to order food from outside, we are trying to cook new dishes at home. The other day, we tried sushi and it came out pretty well. The best is, he loved it. We can surely explain them or make them at least fold their clothes, keep their almirahs neat and tidy, stitch few torn clothes, tucking a button at least. I don't have a video for tucking button because he said I'll probably wear shirt without a button. Anyways, all the kids are not same. Somebody or the other can give it a try. Life is so uncertain. Not being negative, just giving a thought. At least our kids should know where we keep our treasures, our documents, our important papers, anything. Share with them, sit with them, explain them, everything. This will have 2-3 benefits. One, you can redo your shelf, clean it. Second, you will be able to organize everything again. Third, you have extra hands next time when you want something handy. Show them some family photos, maybe in albums or Facebook. Discuss where all you went, what he used to do when he was a toddler. Motto is staying back home should be made worth it.
Dads at home? Let them take some responsibility. Let them teach the kids at least how to fill up a check.
Tell them to explain how to upkeep up a car. Check at least the fuel, the water, the engine. It is very important for the kids to know that car, which are wings for them, comes with lot of responsibilities. Elder kids can start learning how to drive. Younger kids can use the same time at home to draw cars from DIYs. I have seen so many girls and boys learning 5 minutes craft, DIYs. It is the time to give them those material and try their hands on so that they can enhance their skills. My niece gave it a try. Oh, what wonderful pictures she's drawing. She is so talented. She has completely transformed the house, painting little stuff here and there, making the house look beautiful and the environment turning happier. Not only for painting, origami, drawing, the phones can be used for photography. Instead of just playing games, we can encourage them to take pictures. This is how my son learned photography. Now he is using a professional camera and taking pictures. He is also helping me to edit these videos. Yes, all these videos are homemade, created by Garima Jolly and edited by Rudra Jolly. Our little extra effort can enhance their skill, what we cannot do during their busy routine of the schools. This is the time, ask them and give them the liberty to enjoy and get hands-on with most of the things. Last but not the least, teach your kids to be thankful to the Almighty. I am sure many of our kids must be bowing down, putting a lamp, knowing a prayer or two. This is the time to reiterate and make it a habit. Also, read a holy book for them, enlighten their thoughts, why all this is happening, what one can derive out of this situation. How can we become better human beings under this situation? More affectionate, more kind towards family, elders, poor, animals, and above all, Mother Earth. You know what? How all this become easier and simpler? Just by one small act of mine, using less of WhatsApp. I can give more time to my family, my kitchen, my kids, everything. If you like any of my ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You can also visit my FB page, Instagram handle by the name of Perfect Blends of Life. Thank you. Stay home,